If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing Apex Legends, there are several adjustments you can make to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or file-sharing applications can consume system resources and lead to performance issues. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Origin, or Steam. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, ensuring that the game runs smoothly. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. On Windows, go to Control Panel Hardware and Sound Power options and select the High Performance plan. This setting allows your hardware to run at maximum capacity, which can help reduce stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience in Apex Legends. Enjoy smoother gameplay and better performance.